In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Mailchimp step by step. This guide is designed to take you through the entire process of building and publishing your Mailchimp landing page with ease. To begin, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate over to the campaigns section. Here you'll find all the tools you need to get started. Under campaigns, click on the All Campaigns tab, and from the list of options, select Landing Pages. This is where we'll start our journey. Next, you'll need to create a new landing page. You'll see a button labeled Create a Landing Page. Give that a click. Now, it's time for a bit of personalization. Enter a unique name for your landing page. This name will help you identify it easily within your Mailchimp account. Once you've named it, select the audience that new subscribers will be added to when they sign up through your landing page. Now, on to the fun part, choosing a template. Mailchimp offers a variety of pre-designed landing page templates to suit different goals. Whether you're looking to grow your email list or promote a product, there's a template for you. These templates provide a great starting point, saving you the hassle of designing from scratch. With your template selected, it's time to customize your landing page. Mailchimp makes this process straightforward with its drag and drop builder. You can edit your page by adding elements such as headlines, images, text, buttons, and even sign-up forms. Don't forget to adjust styles and colors to ensure everything aligns with your branding. Take your time to make your landing page visually appealing and effective in conveying its message. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save and Close. But don't stop there. Take a moment to edit some crucial details like the page title, which will appear in browsers, as well as the URL slug and the favicon. You also have the option to set tags, which will be applied to subscribers who sign up through this page. To get the most out of your landing page, consider enabling tracking. Mailchimp allows you to integrate various tracking tools like Mailchimp Tracking, Metapixel, or Google Analytics. This will help you monitor the performance of your page. Also, confirm or adjust the audience and tags for your new subscribers to ensure they are properly categorized. Now comes the final step, publishing your landing page. Simply click that Publish button and your landing page will be live. You can then share the URL provided, inviting visitors to your newly created landing page and driving traffic your way. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy landing page building.